Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a cute ornament using ChatGPT. First just open ChatGPT and then just tap on menu, this one, and then just go to images like this, and then after that just go to style sections and then just choose the ornament styles, this one, just tap on it, and then next just choose a photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new selfie from your camera by your camera. And in here I will just use a photo from my gallery, and then next just upload your photo that you want to transform. For example, this one, and then next just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is now turned into a beautiful ornament like this. It's a little bit glossy and it looks so cool like this. And okay, maybe that's it. Super easy and only takes 1 minute. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.